In this video, I'll show you how to install any add-on in Blender, and we'll use the Ucupaint add-on as an example. First, open Edit, then go to Preferences. On the left side, click on Add-ons. Let's try searching for Ucupaint directly. Type Ucupaint in the search bar. But as you can see, no result appears. That means we need to install it manually. Open your web browser and search for Ucupaint Blender. Go to the download page and download the add-on to your computer. Sometimes add-ons download as a folder instead of a zip. Blender requires a zip file for installation. So right-click the folder, then select Compress to Zip. Return to Blender, still in the add-ons section. This time, click the small down arrow button in the top right and choose Install from Disk. Select the zip file you created and click Install Add-on. Once installation is complete, search again for Ucupaint. Now you should see it in the list. Enable the checkbox to activate the add-on. You'll now see a new Ucupaint tab in the sidebar. Select your model, for example, the default cube, then click Quick Setup. And just like that, you're ready to start texture painting using Ucupaint. That's how you install any add-on in Blender, whether it's in the built-in list or downloaded manually. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blender tips.